Witness the fury of the fastest firewood processors and the danger of giant chainsaws. This is where raw power meets cutting-edge technology. Get ready for a high-octane thrill ride you won't forget. Timber's going down. Imagine turning massive logs into perfect firewood with almost magical ease. That's the promise of the SpaltFix K440. It can handle logs almost 1.5 feet in diameter, making it a true beast. I'm fascinated by the adjustable splitting blade. 2, 6, or 12 pieces from a single log. It's like a lumberjack's dream come true. One wonders, how much time could this marvel save? At $45,756 before tax on landwert.com, available in February 2025, it's a big investment. But what is the price of efficiency in the world of firewood? Imagine transforming a massive 15-inch log into perfectly sized firewood in seconds. That's the magic of the Splitta 400. This beast of a machine, likely European designed judging by its efficiency, uses a fascinating X-blade. It's like watching a hydraulic-powered wood ninja slice through logs with precision, leaving behind neat piles of kindling or firewood. I wonder what kind of motor powers this thing. A marvel of engineering. Hey Forestry fans! Have you ever heard of the Komatsu 931XC? This Finnish marvel is an 8-wheel drive timber harvesting titan. Weighing over 48,000 pounds, it's built to dominate the forest floor. What's really cool is its unique hydraulic system. Imagine multitasking with 194 gallons per minute of flow. Need power? The AGCO Power engine delivers a solid 227 horsepower. You want one? I've seen a 2018 model listed for around $245,000 in Finland. What do you think? Is the 931XC the king of the woods? Tired of the firewood hassle? The Narva S23 splitting package is your solution. This equipment lets you produce firewood directly in the forest, eliminating extra handling. You get firewood sized just right, from 10 to 14 inches, or even 19 inches for larger stoves. Installation? Super simple, just 3 bolts. And with Narva's bagging device, connected to your tractor's 3-point hitch, you can say goodbye to manual loading. Problem solved. Holy smokes! This log splitter is absolutely insane. A Honda diesel engine, JCB rams, road-going suspension, and a hydraulic log lift. This man have built the ultimate log splitting machine. I can practically feel the power through my screen. 1,650 pounds of pure splitting force. I bet this thing can handle anything you throw at it. Felling large trees is a high-risk operation, demanding precision and expertise. Even seasoned lumberjacks, equipped with hydraulic-powered chainsaws and advanced felling techniques, face unpredictable challenges. A sudden gust of wind, an unseen internal rot, or a miscalculation in the notch cut can have serious consequences. It is how pros adapt and deploy their problem-solving skills that truly distinguishes the exceptional lumberjack.
Oh, yeah.
Let's take a moment to appreciate the powerful partnership between human and animal, as exemplified by Hector and his handler. The subtle cues, the responsive movements. It's a language built on trust and mutual respect. It is incredibly special. This is a testament to the enduring value of traditional skills in a modern world. Working with animals like Hector requires patience, understanding, and a deep connection to the natural world. A tool that feels like an extension of your own arm? That's the Narva S23C. I was amazed by how they combined a featherweight design with the JP23 boom, extending reach up to 15.7 feet. They've simplified the hydraulics too. Can you believe it only needs one valve to function? Even with a hydraulic flow of just 10.6 gallons a minute, it's a powerhouse. It's a remarkable piece of engineering. Armando Augusto Silva, Lelda, understands the nuances of the wood chipping industry. It's not just about brute force, but the finesse of a well-engineered hydraulic system. They masterfully craft their machines in Portugal, a country known for precision engineering. Their chippers offer a symphony of power and control, a vital balance for any serious operation. Their approach ensures you get a machine that's both powerful and refined. Let your guard down for a second, and your wallet will take a serious hit.
Oh, man.
This homemade double circular saw exhibits ingenuity. Most homemade tools lack appropriate safety guards and mechanisms, but the creator here prioritized user protection without sacrificing functionality. It's a testament to what can be achieved with careful planning and execution in the workshop. This is a truly impressive piece of DIY machinery. This thing is a beast. I mean, 35 tons of splitting force? This Austrian beauty can split logs up to 21.6 inches in diameter into 12 pieces. It can be powered by a tractor's PTO, a powerful 400-volt electric motor, or a rugged diesel engine. And get this, It's got a conveyor belt and a heavy-duty chassis for easy transport or stationary use. If you're serious about firewood, whether mobile or stationary, the SpaltFix K540 is an absolute dream come true. The Vanguard 1028, manufactured in the USA, showcases the apex of logging machinery. This loader boasts a hydraulic system capable of a staggering 4,000 pounds lift capacity, demonstrating the formidable American engineering. Observe the T800 steer axle, rated at a 20,000 pounds GAWR under this immense load. It highlights the machine's distribution of weight, a critical aspect for stability and safety on uneven terrains. The cold makes some things easier. Let's talk about this Kisaved Kubik. We're looking at a 2013 model from Sweden, going for around $18,340. It can take logs up to 15.7 inches in diameter and gives you cut lengths from 7.9 to 23.6 inches. What's more, it has an 8-way splitting wedge. Plus, a handy 19.7-foot conveyor. Is this a good buy? Would you add this beast to your operation? Whoa, check out this homemade log splitter. It's actually doing a pretty decent job, huh? But if you ask me, it could use a few tweaks to make it safer and more efficient. For starters, just reversing the motor's direction would seriously improve the pushing power, and shortening that lever arm would give the operator a bit more safe distance. What do you guys think, though? Get ready to revolutionize your wood-splitting game with the Petzolato 5SP 40.60. This vertical hydraulic splitter tackles logs up to 24 inches wide like it's no big deal. With its curved blade and 4 rotating knives, it crafts 5 perfectly sized logs in one go. How cool is that? Plus, it's designed for maximum safety and ease of use, thanks to its manual controls. It's a game changer for anyone serious about firewood production. The Posh Pack Fix Hydro. It's this amazing hydraulic firewood packer from Austria, and it's a total game changer. Each drum can hold 1.6 cubic yards of wood. It wraps it all up in this special mesh that lets the wood dry super fast. It's seriously the coolest thing ever for anyone who deals with firewood. A new one is selling for around $18,500, but it is going to save you so much time and effort. She's got her protective shorts, safety tennis shoes, tactical bifocals, impact-resistant gray hair for head protection. Oh my gosh, you guys, you have to see this. The Comtech Chippo 5010 CD is the most amazing mobile wood chipper ever. It runs on diesel, and it's like super powerful. It makes the best wood chips, and it's mobile. You can take it anywhere. It's ideal for producing biomass fuel, and its portability is a total game changer. I'm seriously blown away by this machine. Wow. Just wow. That's the first word that comes to mind when I see the Nussreiner Brennholzsäge in action. The efficiency and precision of that sawing system are just incredible. I've never seen anything quite like it. If you're serious about firewood processing, you owe it to yourself to check this machine out. In the sawmill industry, maximizing yield and minimizing waste are paramount. The Wood-Mizer TVS and MR200 offer solutions to these key challenges. The TVS addresses the need for accurate primary breakdown, ensuring optimal use of every log. This reduces waste and provides consistent cants for downstream processing. The MR200 tackles the bottleneck of secondary breakdown by efficiently ripping cants into multiple boards, streamlining the production process and significantly reducing labor costs. If you're facing challenges with throughput or looking for ways to improve efficiency in your sawmill, these machines are definitely worth considering. You've got a 40-foot tree next to power lines? Yeah, that's not a job for amateurs, and these guys are definitely not pros.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Oh no.
It shouldn't be there.
Oh no.
It's going the wrong way.
They should have called the professionals from the get-go. I gotta give this guy credit, this homemade chipper's pretty slick. It gets the job done, and it probably didn't cost much to build. But dude, it's scary as heck. I wouldn't go anywhere near that thing. Am I right? The Jens Hem 583. I've seen a lot of chippers, but this one is something else. 270 cubic meters per hour? That's incredible throughput. And it's not just about speed, it's about how efficiently it handles material. The 820mm drum, coupled with that wide 1.2 meter intake, means you can throw some serious sized logs, up to 22 inches, at this thing, and it just eats them. The hydraulic fan is constantly working to optimize chip discharge, keeping things flowing smoothly. This machine shows the true power of modern engineering. Ever wrestled with a stubborn stump? I have. That's why I'm fascinated by wood devil cone splitters. They're like the superheroes of wood splitting. Imagine a twist cone, spinning with a special double thread, just tearing through the thickest trunks. It's mesmerizing. From backyard projects to serious forestry work, they've got a splitter. They even fit on excavators. It's not just about power, it's smart design. Folks, we're talking serious wood processing here. The Petzolato PTH1200/1000M is a beast. This tracked chipper, powered by a robust 656 horsepower Scania DC 16071A diesel, isn't playing around. We're looking at a maximum chipping diameter of 700 millimeters and a massive 1200 by 700 millimeters in-feed opening. The 1000 millimeter diameter, 1,200 millimeter wide drum, combined with a substantial feeding chain, 1,200 by 1,440 millimeters, translates to an hourly throughput of 150 to 180 cubic meters. What you're seeing here is the cutting edge of railway tie processing. This Pendu system isn't just some automated assembly line, it's a symphony of precision engineering. We start with the trim saw, ensuring dimensional accuracy, crucial for consistent track gauge. Then, the kerf saw creates that vital alignment groove, guaranteeing proper track laying. Forget manual marking. The stamper takes care of that. The incisor? That enhances preservative penetration, extending tie life significantly. Finally, the plating station applies those essential tie plates for rail support, before the multi-level sorter organizes everything for deployment. Check out this rotten stump. A piece of cake for this woodcracker, right? But here's the question. What's better, chipping or burning? Let's hear your thoughts. But while you're thinking, consider this. Chipping helps prevent wildfires by clearing debris. It also creates valuable resources we can reuse. So, what do you think the real advantage is? Well, check this out. A Tiger Cat 1075B, a real workhorse, found itself in a sticky situation. Deep mud. Imagine the scene. The wheels are spinning, mud is flying everywhere, but it's not budging. Talk about a frustrating day at the office. Anyone else been there? Luckily, a helpful tractor stepped in and pulled it out of the muck. It just goes to show, we all need a little help sometimes, right? I remember this one time when I also had to clear out a bunch of trees like this overgrown lot. It was a real jungle out there. I had my trusty chainsaw, but every tree seemed to have a mind of its own. There was this one stubborn oak that just refused to fall the way I wanted it to. It was a real battle of wills. The Petzolato TLA-15 is a high-production firewood processor designed for optimal efficiency. Key features include a 1,500mm diameter disc blade capable of processing logs up to 590mm in diameter. The TLA-15 system utilizes a 3-machine configuration to achieve a production capacity of 570 cubic meters, 160 bulk cords, per day. This system is ideal for large-scale firewood and charcoal operations where maximizing throughput is critical. Now, folks, logging is a tough business. You're dealing with Mother Nature at her most raw and unpredictable. Experienced operators know that terrain can be a major factor. Is it a steep slope? Are there hidden obstacles? Then you've got weather conditions: rain, snow, ice, all impacting traction and visibility. And of course, the equipment itself is critical. A well-maintained truck and a skilled operator are essential for safe operations. Any weak link in that chain can spell trouble. In the aftermath of the Hakusan flood, forestry experts played a crucial role in mitigating damage and facilitating recovery. Their expertise in hydrology and geomorphology enabled them to efficiently identify critical drainage points and remove debris, obstructing natural water flow. This intervention minimized further erosion and facilitated the restoration of the ecosystem's equilibrium. By strategically clearing debris and restoring natural drainage channels, these experts significantly reduce the impact of the flood on the local environment and infrastructure. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. We hope this video ignited your passion for forestry and inspired you to learn more about this vital industry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting forestry content coming your way.